Hey ladies, today we are discussing how to open your Binance account, and I'm also going to go over the two versions of Binance and how you can start buying your crypto. And once you buy your crypto, how you go about sending it to your MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to click on login. I'm going to click on register because I'm a new user, assuming you're a new user. And then you just give in an email, set a password, match the puzzle piece, and then you're gonna get a code sent to your email. All right, so after you log in with your email, you will then press verify account, and here you'll take care of all your personal verification. You will have to link your Aadhaar and your PAN card to this. And what I've noticed before is that with a friend's wallet, for a friend's Binance account, she didn't have her PAN card quite in the best of shape, and so it just didn't take because you don't get pictures clearly. So just make sure that your documents are in good condition, and when you take the photographs, just make sure that nothing's reflecting and everything is clear and it's not out of focus. And your verification should just get done really easily in about 10 minutes. So don't press entity verification. That's for businesses. You can just start now and you'll have to complete this. I'm not going to go forward with this. I will just meet you inside the app once you've finished KYC. So in order to finish verification, you will need to enable two-step verification, which is basically Google Authenticator is an app where it will give you a password that times out every 30 seconds, including a code that will be sent to your email, as well as a code that is sent to your mobile. So these are the 3 steps of verification you need to enable, along with finishing your KYC. Now, this particular buy feature is only available on what's called Binance Lite. So if I click on that little icon there, you'll see Binance Lite. So if I turn this off, it takes me to a version that's Binance Pro. Now, the difference between Binance Lite and Binance Pro is that you get to see a lot more in detail information in the Pro version. Also, P2P trading, that's peer-to-peer trading, is enabled only on the Binance Pro side, and you also get a lot more features like the Binance Launchpad, and you can participate in yield farms and liquidity pools only on the Pro side. So these are some of the differences between the Lite version and the Pro version. I'll get into detail in other videos. So as you can see, there are many coins that you won't be able to purchase in the Lite version, but you will be able to purchase or swap them in the Pro version. So once you get, but what I always suggest is, if you're just getting started, then you should totally make sure that you enable Binance Lite. It's way easier to use the interface for the first couple of times, and then you can, as you learn, you can graduate to the Pro version. Okay, so let's proceed to buy something. Once I click on buy, these are the options that I get in front of me. But remember that if you invest in any of these tokens, you can always convert this into, from this list, BNB, USDT, that's Tether, and BUSD, Binance USD, are the 3 easiest tokens to convert to any other token. They will always have a trading pair available. We'll discuss what a trading pair is in another video. But for now, these are your options. So I'm going to just say BNB, and let's say the minimum amount that you can do is, of course, it says here 100 rupees. I'm just going to type in 1000 rupees. Of course, I'm not going to buy anything now because this is not an account that I want to keep active, but just to show you and for the sake of this demonstration, if I click on buy BNB, I have already gone ahead and connected one of my bank accounts for the sake of this demonstration. So you can see my options. There's IMPS, UPI, and bank transfer. So if I hit confirm, what's going to happen is it's going to send me a person a person's account details, and I just go about making that transaction or making that payment. And once I'm done making that payment, all I have to do is a button will show up in yellow saying confirm that you have paid the seller. Once you click that, your cryptocurrency will be released in about a minute or two. It shouldn't take very long, but depending on the person on the other side and how attentive they are to their payments, it should usually happen within a minute or two, max 5 minutes. So that's the process of buying your first crypto. And that's it for now. If you want to know how to send this cryptocurrency that you just bought into your MetaMask wallet, unfortunately, that is in the next video. So please don't forget to watch that as well. And I subscribe to the channel, like, and turn on the bell notification so that you know every time I post new videos, which is every day. So thank you guys. This is Crypto Money signing off. Until my next video. Bye.